Hey everyone, my name's Emma and I'm a sophomore marketing major, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit how to boost your LinkedIn profile. So LinkedIn is a super important tool to use throughout college, especially if you're in a business major. It not only can help you with connections and talking to alumni, but it also can help you get internships too. Here are some do's and don'ts for your LinkedIn profile. Starting with your profile photo, you definitely want it to be something professional looking, whether some schools offer like to take your professional headshot, or it could just be any like appropriate picture of like pretty much just like your face up. You kind of want to stay away from anything of like a senior photo or like anything like high school related if you're in college. And then after your profile photo is your header photo. Now, a lot of people like to make that like a picture of their school or something, but recruiters already know that about you. So what I think is what's best and what I do is I made kind of a banner header that like has my name and sort of like your brand, your personal brand on it. So it could be like 3 characteristics about you or like what you're interested in. So another really cool factor about LinkedIn is the About section. And this gives all of your recruiters and your connections a chance to learn a little bit more about you than just what is on your resume, since your resume is a pretty basic format. So in this section, it can be however long you want. I would say probably about like 2 paragraphs would be good. And you can talk about anything which you're interested in, your goals, what you're passionate about. And what would be really smart to do is on LinkedIn, it only shows the first few sentences of the About section, and then you have to click see more. So it'd be a great way to start this About section would be with a hook to kind of get those recruiters interested so they want to see more and learn even more about you. Hey, my last tip is just to stay active on LinkedIn. It definitely looks better if you're interacting with your connections post, reaching out to people, and overall it's just going to get you more involved into the business world. All right, thanks guys so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you, whether you're looking to use LinkedIn to apply for a job or just to make more connections.